How to use DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So after setting up your account, this is how it will look like. Now over here you can type the prompt and then search for any stuff that you are looking for. But if you click on this option, then you would be able to get better results for your reasoning problems. Like whatever problem that you have and it requires some kind of intelligence, then it would be better if you could just click on this option and then search for it. And if you are just in the search mode and looking for some insights on something that is going on in your mind, then just simply click on this option of search. And after that, just make a prompt. And in case if you are looking to extract the text from the documents and the pictures, simply click on this option, upload any documents or images up to the size of 100 MB, and after that you can ask the questions related to that particular document quite easily. And this is how easy it is to use DeepSeek AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.